Hey guys, it's Sasha from Mountain Pass here, and we're coming to you just after we went to Gridlife Circuit Legends, which was an awesome event at Lime Rock Park. Lime Rock is almost like a baby motorsport. It is in the hills, old-fashioned American track. It's very cool, and we got to run both our Model 3 there and our Hybrid 350Z. It was a really awesome event. It was a bit exhausting. We didn't quite bring enough people, but man, what a cool racetrack. We were also there with Chris Hatch, so we actually had 3 Model 3s running together along with the Z. So there was a lot of electrified cars out there wearing Mountain Pass livery, and we did pretty well too. The Z was second overall in Unlimited, and the Model 3s were quicker than almost all of the cars that were not trailered there, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, we'll shoot to a little bit of in-car footage. We have the Model 3 and also the Z, and yeah, enjoy that, and we'll check back in with you in a sec. So the Z had a lot of upgrades. I mean, we haven't run that car for about 2 years. It now has 4-wheel steering, a new inverter, a DC-DC converter that's the same you find in a modern Formula 1 car. We have the new front end by our friend Guy that's super badass, looks awesome. We obviously didn't get the car 100% sorted because this was kind of our first time on new tires. But man, that car is turning more and more into a video game all the time. We even have, display of the tire temperatures on the screen in real time. You can see the inside, middle, outside as it goes from cold to hot, and kind of some fun gimmicks like that. So that was really cool. Gridlife kind of highlighted that car as well as some others and really talked about the history of it and its current state, which was awesome. And then again, the Model 3s were super fun and surprised a lot of people. So all in all, it was a great event, and super thanks to the Gridlife guys for putting on these really incredible events that are also like everyone's in a good mood and it's a good spirit there. So it's really nice because we're used to kind of some of the old time racing where everyone's yelling at you and you're always constantly getting in trouble. So it's nice for people to be doing this kind of for fun, especially when it takes so much energy and costs so much money. And one other thing that we want to announce, that Gridlife announced at the event actually, is the Model 3 Challenge. So that is a semi-racing series that's starting next year where guys with non-caged Model 3s, street-driven Model 3s, can get a taste of almost wheel-to-wheel racing at Gridlife events. So there'll be a pack of Model 3s out there running, and effectively you'll get a taste of wheel-to-wheel, but you won't actually be going side-by-side into corners with people, so there'll still be some safety, and as a result of that, you can just bring your daily driven car there. So you can learn more about the Model 3 Challenge at model3challenge.racing. And yeah, we're kind of going through everything right now and getting it all set up, but it's going to be an awesome series to promote EVs, to allow guys that have Model 3s to get that competition for an extremely affordable price. Basically, you just have to put some brake pads and a data logger in your Model 3 and you can have a great time. So really looking forward to that, and Gridlife couldn't be better partners for that. I mean, again, like I said, they've got a youthful audience, a ton of people coming out to the events, and it's a great place for us to show how cool and fun EVs can be. They're awesome street-driven cars, and then you can take them to the track on weekends and have fun with them. So really pumped for that, and yeah, stay tuned and check out that website. If you've got a modified Model 3 with Mountain Pass parts, you probably have everything you need already to just show up and be part of this thing. Alright guys, thanks.